Thank you, Nadia. Yes, you're right. At Zong, we believe that it is our responsibility, social responsibility, to provide connectivity to the people of Pakistan, to the customers. And Zong has been playing this role for the past 2 decades. We are here, and we have provided the services to the people of Pakistan. Throughout this era, the period, we have seen tremendous climate changes and certain events of disaster due to climate changes. What I will walk you through that how we have faced those climate changes and the disastrous event that happened earlier, how we faced that, how our network is resilient enough to manage and those events, and how we continue to provide connectivity to the people of Pakistan, and we supported our government agencies, our NDMA, PDMA, whatever people on the ground who were working for the restoration of the people. How we supported them by providing the network coverage. Our network is spread all across Pakistan. We have deployed multiple installations, equipment spread all over Pakistan, and for that to work, there are two major essential things. First, continuous supply of electricity power, which is a challenge, as my fellow panelists have also commented on that. It is a challenge in Pakistan. We are not producing enough electricity as per our requirement. So the companies like us, we had to produce our own part of electricity. And the second thing is the connectivity. Once the electricity is there, we need to connect our network so that the communication takes place. The network that we have deployed is multi-layered as far as the electricity consumption, electricity generation is concerned. We have our own battery backup on every location that we have our equipment installed. So once the electricity is not there, the equipment is shifted back on to the battery backup. And then again, there are some areas where there is no infrastructure of electricity. This is a challenge for us, how to operate in those areas, how to provide connectivity to people. So we have opted to multiple solutions, like we have placed gensets over there to run our network, and we have also opted to the green energy, the clean energy, which is solar. We are continuously investing on solar and deploying solar with our cell sites to keep them up and running using the green energy, natural energy. So this is the multi-layer infrastructure that we have for in terms of electricity. While if you should talk about the connectivity, we connect through two mediums. Either it's a wired connectivity or a wireless connectivity. For wired connectivity, optical fiber network is deployed all across Pakistan. And for wireless connectivity, we have our radios. Again, the backup is there. If the wired connectivity is broken somehow, we have redundancy in the wired network. If one fiber or one cable is broken due to some disaster, due to some, in 2022 we had massive floods all across Pakistan. Our fiber remained broken for multiple days, many days, because there was water everywhere, and it was not possible to restore that. But we had redundancy. We had other routes. We had other cables through which the traffic automatically got routed, and then we had radio links for the communication. So the communication remained intact. And in 2022 flood, we were the very first network of Pakistan that restored the complete network, the down network, within 14 days. And that was also acknowledged by the government of Pakistan and PTA. We were the first one to get the network up in the affected areas. So this is how we manage the disasters. We usually, luckily, we know usually in what period of the year the climate changes, because Pakistan is heavily affected by monsoon. It's a monsoon affected region. So during monsoon and after monsoon, we generally face flood-related situations. Sometimes it's extensive, sometimes it's moderate. We have our own disaster processes and policies in place. We arrange resources, we optimize the resources, we place the resources accordingly. We remain in touch with the authorities, with the agencies, NDMA, PDMA. More importantly, our field teams are on ground in far-flung and the remotest areas of Pakistan, where probably we don't have the presence of others, but our teams are there to protect, to secure our network. So we are the first one to take part in restoration of the network and also supporting the people over there who are affected with any climate-related disaster that occurs. So we stand shoulder to shoulder with our governments, our agencies in resolving the issues in those areas. So moving ahead to the second part of my conversation, which is clean and green energy. We have upgraded 85% of our network with the state-of-the-art latest technology, lithium-ion battery banks. Earlier, we were using the traditional batteries, which had more carbon emission. These lithium batteries are environment friendly, and we are focused to have the carpet coverage within the next year, and the whole network will be equipped with the lithium-ion solution. At the same time, we have deployed more than 1,000 solar solutions in our network. We are generating a capacity of more than 10 megawatts, which if I have the numbers, the solar deployment is able to generate 10 to 12 million kilowatt hours of electricity. We are generating it ourselves, clean and green energy, and it is helping us to save 1.4 million liters of fuel, which would have been burnt using the generators otherwise. So this is how we are playing our role, keeping Pakistan's environment clean, using the green energy solutions, and helping making Pakistan environment friendly.
Thank you, Najibullah sir. So the interventions that you've talked about, a lot of them do result in carbon sequestration, the solarization, and also using efficient batteries. So have you thought about claiming credits for it? Are you moving towards that direction? Is that attractive to you in any way?
Yes, we are. As I said, we plan to have more investment in the same areas. In coming years, we will be adding more solar solutions. This year, more than 250 solutions are already
claiming
planned.
Carbon credits, carbon finance, carbon credits for that. Is Zong thinking about it? Getting finance through other modes?
No, we are currently not thinking in these lines. We are only working to make our network as much as less carbon affected as possible later on maybe. But yeah, we have business partners and we are working with different partners to different models. The AI based, there are certain AI based solutions there. We are also planning to adopt those starting this year. That will help us more efficiently utilize our power resources and make our network more energy efficient.